Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ownership in Find My so you can remove the Airtag from your account. Once done, open the Find My app, tap Items, and select the Airtag. Make a quick decision. Remove it in software first to stop tracking, then power it down physically. While you're there, note the battery type, CR2032, so you're ready to remove it safely. Now move to the device and get a solid grip on the stainless steel back. You'll remove the Airtag from your Apple ID next, because that immediately stops active association and alerts. Tap Remove this item, follow prompts, and confirm. After that, press the stainless steel rear cover firmly, then twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 turn until the tabs align with the openings. Once the cover is off, lift it and pull the coin cell straight out. Removing the CR2032 is the effective hardware power. With the battery removed, the Airtag is off and cannot be tracked. Store the battery safely or dispose of it per local rules. If you later want it back on, reinsert the CR2032 with the plus side up, align the cover tabs, press and rotate clockwise until it clicks. If the cover is stuck, try a rubber grip or the edge of a credit card for leverage. And if the Airtag still appears in Find My, make sure you fully removed the item from your Apple ID and restart the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.